Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, September 16th, and I've got some party fabric to share, as well as one of our favorite vendors from our handmade market, which is upcoming on October 15th. So first up, we'll go with Soiree. This is a really, really great party collection, which we don't see a lot of. So let me read you the description while I'm showing you the fun fabrics. Put on your party hats, folks. We're celebrating everything. From birthdays to proposals, big milestones to small triumphs, they all deserve a little revelry and fun. The Soiree collection was inspired by gatherings with our nearest and dearest, liberally sprinkled with sparkle and joy. Big giant tasseled balloons, colorful confetti, and cake adorn these lovely prints. Cheers! This is by Mara Penny for Moda. I was thinking these would make a terrific table runner that you could use in the center of your table for all celebrations. So I think it would be fun to find a table runner, possibly from one of Doug Lico's Table-tastic books, to use this fun collection with. Or you could do placemats, or you can make your own party hats out of it, or wreaths for the front door. I think it would be fun to do one of the happy scrappy wreaths using this collection. So I will link to some of those great ideas, or I don't know if they're great ideas, they're my ideas, but I will link to my ideas in today's description of the video. I love those balloons. It's such a nice color combination. It's so hard to, I would have a horrible time trying to pick colors out of a hat that would go well together, but the designers know what they're doing. So that's just like a diagonally printed kind of fun piece. I don't know what you, yeah, I don't know what you'd call it exactly. Maybe swags. Reminds me of those big balloon swags, or the big balloon arches that you can see in different places. That one's super fun. Look at that. I love that. And here is some bunting or swag, I guess. And then this is a really fun print. Look at all the cakes. Although you might not want to use that for a table runner unless your cake looks that delicious. My cakes do not look that good. So I might skip the cake prints for mine. Then we have party umbrellas. Those paper umbrellas. I loved those when I was a kid. I had a huge dollhouse collection, and the paper umbrellas were very sought after for umbrellas for my dollhouse girls. And there's another of the cake pieces with a white background. So again, this is called Soiree, Soiree, and it will be available online and in the shop starting today. Next up, we have Jns Woodworking. They are amazing woodworkers. They make our pin bowls and our pin holders and our quilt ladders here in the store, but they also make lots of other things. So they are always right out at the corner, kind of in the primo spot for our handmade market. And I want to show you some of the things that they are going to be bringing with them, along with their two giveaways for today. Jns Woodworking started with two retirees and a shared interest in woodworking. The challenge of working with quality wood and turning it into something beautiful, like a turned bowl, or designing a charcuterie and cutting board, has been very rewarding. I love the shape of that. It's so organic. Very pretty color too. So yeah, these guys have a great amount of fun. They are actually neighbors of our long-arm quilting manager, Linda. So if you know Linda, she's got an in with these guys because they work literally right next door to her. Look at that cutting board with all the different colors of wood in it. So pretty. And running out of space. They also do fun little things like this little snowman. Look at the little carrot. That's so adorable. And then this is a huge board, which I guess could be used for charcuterie or for cutting. Or, you know, if you have somebody in your house and you need to conk them out because this thing's really heavy. For our giveaways, we have this cute little Christmas tree. And then we have this cutting board with a trench in it so that all of the juices don't go everywhere. And it also has handles on the sides so you can hang on to it like that. So to be entered to win this great cutting board or this adorable little Christmas tree, all you need to do is comment where you're watching the video today, either YouTube or Facebook or both if you want to double your chances. And don't forget to add our handmade market to your calendar. It's going to be October 15th, 10 to 4, rain or shine, here at the shop in Cary, North Carolina. Hope you have a great weekend. Find some time to sew, find some time for yourself, and we'll be back here with you from the shop on Monday. Bye.